What's up, guys? Bright and early on April 22nd, I took one trip into this farm with tripod camera, 2 decoys, chair, blind. Got set up a little late, but I don't think I spooked nothing. I got one gobbler way over here and one gobbler over here. So yesterday evening, I messed up bad. I had called in a big old Tom over at Tony's. The way he came in strutting and gobbling, I thought for sure he was gonna give me some awesome footage and start beating up a decoy. And that's exactly what I was waiting for. But as soon as he came in, he skirted on the backside of the decoys and just started feeding and pecking the ground. So then I started panicking, like, okay, I think I just need to shoot him. And then I looked back at the camera. In my screen, I couldn't tell if he was in the frame because the sun was glaring off my screen. So I had to let down, and long story short, he went to the right, which I'm set up to the left of my camera. So I tried to get my camera moved to get on him, and it was just not good. I should have just let him have it, and I don't know why I didn't. You know, I just really thought, just like everybody else's turkey hunts, that Toms come in and they beat up that decoy, and that's what I was waiting for. But I guess all turkeys don't do that, so I definitely screwed that one up, but oh well. It was a cool experience. Okay, and now this gobbler is way closer, so I'm gonna get working this gobbler. Of course it's a Jake. Never mind, it's that same Jake. Alright guys, here's what I got going on. The Jake that has been here for over an hour is sitting over here, right beside the blind, 10 yards. And I was just messing with him, just doing little clucks and stuff, and had him gobbling I don't know how many times right here. And so I just quit because I was over him. And now he's sitting there just puffing up and randomly gobbling. And he keeps looking behind me, so I peek through the back window, and I'm pretty sure it's a longbeard that's working its way to the other side of the blind. It's gonna be really hard to get a shot, but as long as he comes in front of the blind to the decoys, we should be good. But yeah, this Jake is just protecting his little decoys here. I still can't confirm that this is a longbeard, but the way he's coming up this row of trees, he's gonna be right here beside the blind. So hopefully, God willing, I will get my first ever turkey right here. Alright guys, here's what's going on. That Jake came back around and is back on the decoys. This Tom back here, it is a longbeard. is circling the blind, and I hope he ends up by these decoys, but I'm not sure, and I can't get up and peek out the back window because this Jake will see me, and he's just strutting around the decoys again, about to beat him up. So and then also straight out behind me where I said earlier those turkeys like to hang out during the day, there's a bunch of turkeys over there. So we got turkeys all around us. Doubled up, baby. Just doubled up on 2 toms. No way. That could not have been any more crazy. That was a blessing from God. 100%. Never turkey hunted in my life. This year was the first year. Thank you, God. No way. No way. That first tom, I don't even know where he went. He took off somewhere. I cut half his beard off. I gotta see where that tom even went. He is beating up my turkey. Oh, he's eating my turkey right now. Alright, guys. This Jake is just still beating up one of these turkeys. Alright, guys. Well, here they are.
I could not be more pumped than how my first ever turkey turned out. It was awesome getting one with the bow, but I never thought I'd double up. Here's the first one. It's the younger Tom, completely just beat up, very beat up. This is the bigger Tom. He's also very beat up, missing feathers. And I accidentally, which I hit right where I was aiming, but I did end up lopping off his entire beard. So how these two birds came in was pretty crazy. I was just messing around with this Jake. I was taking Snapchat videos of him, just clucking at him and just getting him to gobble. And thought he could possibly call in some toms, but so I was just messing with him. He was just circling these decoys and doing whatever. And then all of a sudden, he starts working his way this way and stands about 10 yards over here and is staring that way. So I kind of peek behind the blind and I can see a tom coming in. I'm like, okay, that's perfect. But then this Jake came back here, started coming over here, so I knew this tom was going to be close because this Jake was protecting his little decoys. And I got the camera over just in time, as you saw, for him and that tom to start fighting. And I had no idea there was a second tom. That tom just jumped in and started fighting out of nowhere, and I had no idea where he came from. But I knew that was my opportunity. I'm like, you know what, I should be able to shoot both of these, and that's exactly what I tried to do, and God willing, that's what happened. I could not be more blessed. This is how my first ever turkey hunt ended up. It's absolutely wild. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned because Tony still has a bow tag. 4th season, I'm pretty sure I'll be taking my wife and my brother, so should be some more turkey hunts coming. Again, I really appreciate you guys. God bless.